That EF file has been locked down by the Encryptafile encryption utility. Your data protected behind a layer of cryptographic security. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you decrypt or troubleshoot these encrypted files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We're going to maximize results with a single highly effective EF file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. EF files are encrypted files created by Encryptafile, a file encryption utility that protects sensitive data using strong encryption algorithms. They contain the original file data encrypted with a user-specified password, rendering the contents inaccessible without proper authentication. Encryptafile EF files use AES encryption to protect file contents with a password-derived key. The format stores encrypted data alongside a header containing the original file name encryption parameters and integrity verification checksums for secure decryption and validation. In most cases, EF files work best with Encryptafile created by Encryptafile. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows cannot decode the file's protected data, so specialized applications must be used to open it. Open the menu by right-clicking your EF file and choosing Open With. Test Encryptafile if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the EF file differently. If your EF file will not open, do not worry. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, decrypting the file. Install Encryptafile and open the application. Select the EF file and choose Decrypt. Enter the password that was used during encryption. The application will decrypt the file and restore it to its original format and file name in the specified output directory. Next, recovering without password. If you have forgotten the encryption password, Encryptafile does not provide a recovery mechanism as this would compromise security. Check for any password hints or records you may have stored. Without the correct password, the encrypted data cannot be recovered. Finally, batch decryption. To decrypt multiple EF files, at once use Encryptafile's batch processing feature. Select multiple EF files or an entire folder and choose Decrypt All. Enter the common password if all files share the same key. Files encrypted with different passwords must be decrypted individually. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.